Hello, dear students. Today we will discuss the definition and basic terms used in coordination compounds. Complex compounds are a special class of compounds in which the metal atom or ions are bound to a number of anions or neutral molecules. In modern terminology, these compounds are called as coordination compounds. The coordination compounds or complex compounds are a type of addition compounds. From the figure, we can see that the metal ion is the central atom and around it there are L4 ligands and the bond is dative or coordinate covalent bond. On the basis of nature, addition or molecular compounds are divided into two categories. These are double salts and coordination or complex compounds. Table shows the difference between double salts and coordination compounds. First difference is double salts exist only in solid state and dissociate into constituent species in their solution. That is, they lose their identity in dissolved state. On the other hand, coordination compounds retain their identity in solid as well as in solution state, that is, they do not lose their identity in dissolved state. Third point is for double salts, the properties are essentially the same as those of constituent species, but in coordination compounds, the properties are different from those of their constituents. For example, K4FeCN6 does not show the test of ferrous and cyanide ions. In double salts, the metal atom or ion exhibit normal valency. In coordination compounds, the number of negative ions or molecules surrounding the central metal atom is beyond its normal valency. Example है एक मोहर salt FeSO4 NH4 hold twice SO4 6H2O. It is example of a double salt. An aqueous solution of potash alum will give the tests for potassium ion, aluminium ion and sulfate ions. On the other hand, coordination compounds are molecular compounds that retain their identity even when dissolved in water. For example, when potassium ferrocyanide is dissolved in water, it does not give the usual tests for ferrous and cyanide ions, indicating that FeCN6 4 negative does not dissociate into ferrous and cyanide ions. Compounds that have complex ions are called as complex compounds. As the central metal ion in the complex ion forms dative or coordinate covalent bonds with the species surrounding it, complex ions are also known as coordinate ions and hence the corresponding compounds are known as coordination compounds. Now we will discuss complex ion. A complex ion has a metal ion at its center with a number of other molecules or ions surrounding it. Examples are given. First is FeH2O whole 6 3 positive, AlF6 3 negative, CONH3 whole 6 2 positive, and it is the complex ion of copper CuNH3 whole 4 H2O whole twice and 2 positive. Metal atom or ion bonded to fixed number of ions or molecules. For example, COCl3 NH3 whole 3 fixed chloride and ammonium ions. Ligands. The molecule or ions which are coordinated to the metal atom or ion. For example, potassium ferrocyanide. The 6 cyanide group coordinated by ferrous ions and are the ligands. Ligands can be negative ions, positive ions or neutral molecules. Ligands are Lewis bases. Central metal atom or ion is Lewis acid. The type of ligands, first is mono or unidentate ligands, second is poly or multidentate ligands, third is ambidentate ligands. In ambidentate ligands, if a ligand has two or more donor atoms, but in complex only one donor atom is attached to the metal, these are ambidentate ligands. For example, in NO2, if nitrogen is bonded to metal, it is nitrito N complex, and if bonding is through oxygen, it is MONO. It is nitrito O complex. Mono or unidentate ligands, one donor atom or one point of attachment and can coordinate with the metal ion at only one site in a complex. For example, chloride ions, ammonia, water, etc. In poly or multidentate ligands, two or more donor atom or point of attachments. Polydentate ligands are further classified as bi, tri, or tetra, penta, hexadentate. For example, oxalate ions, bidentate, ethylene diamine, bidentate, diacetyloxime, it is also bidentate, 2,2-dipyridyl, acetyl acetonate, etc. Coordination number. The number of ligand atoms bonded directly to the central metal ion. It is specific for given metal ion in particular oxidation state. For example, in CONH3 positive coordination number is 6 and the ligands are 6. In next complex, two ligands coordination number is 2, but in third complex ligands are 3 but coordination number is 6 because in one ligand two atoms participate in bonding. Geometry of the complex is related to coordination number. For example, if coordination number is 2, the geometry will be linear. If coordination number is 4, geometry will be tetrahedral or square planar. If coordination number 5, geometry is trigonal, bipyramidal or square pyramidal. And if coordination number is 6, the geometry for complex ions will be octahedral. Thank you.